We're going to be making a s'mores trifle for Christmas as part of our dessert. And Mommy found the recipe on a Cool Whip bowl. So tell them what you're doing first.
I'm crumbling my cake.
She's crumbling the first layer of her cake. You just spread that around evenly in the bottom of it, don't you?
Yeah, I'm crumbling a little more. That's not good enough. Well, I sure cut it good, didn't I? Right lopsided. Now, this is the first time I ever done one of these, so I may not do too good, but I'm trying.
As long as you follow the recipe, you should do all right. We don't have an actual trifle bowl to put it in, so we are using this plastic bowl we got from the Dollar General, which is better to me because it's got all the little Christmas characters on it.
So we got,
and this is going to be part of our Christmas dinner.
We had 2 cups of the pudding on top of the cake. Okay, I gotta make up my pudding.
So now what are you doing?
I'm gonna mix up a box of my pudding and spread it on there, and then I have the second box I have to mix it. And that's where I got off. I don't want to keep going and tear my hand. But I don't want them things to fall out on me again either, like they did that one time.
So you just mix the pudding according to the pudding box. How many are you putting in it, 2?
Yeah, I got 2, but I'm gonna have to mix one of them at a time.
What flavor does it call for? Chocolate?
Chocolate.
So 2 chocolate instant puddings.
Yeah, I was looking to make sure it was
How many ounce boxes are those?
3.9 ounce.
So 2 3.9 ounce chocolate puddings, the instant kind. Now what do you do next?
Now I gotta spread this on top of the cake crumbs.
All of it or half of it?
All of it. That's the reason I gotta make up that second box.
Oh, it's just the first box.
Yeah.
So you do the first box first, and when you get that one made,
I wonder if I got enough cake crumbs in there. It says spread half of it in the bowl.
you better put half of it
I
in
don't
there.
believe I got half of it in there.
Put half your cake crumbled up in your bowl for the first layer, and then mix up your first box of chocolate pudding and pour every bit of it on top of this first cake layer.
Yeah, now.
Jingle bells ringing in.
So you get 4 graham crackers
And break them up into bite-sized pieces.
and put them over top of the first pudding layer.
Down, we stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard.
Now what's next?
1.5 cup of mini marshmallows.
So you put that on top of the first graham cracker layer. Do you put more graham crackers in later?
Oh no, I have to look. I think I do.
1.5 cups of marshmallows?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
And you're just eyeballing it?
Yeah.
She's not she's not measuring it, so you
I
can
just-
measure if you want to.
I just guessed at it. I think I'm getting it right.
She just started digging her hand in there and getting them out. We guess that's a 1.5 cups. We don't know.
I'd say that's a 1.5 cup.
Could be a little short.
Might be a little short. Do you think I should put more?
I don't know. That's good enough to me, but people, if they want to make sure they get exactly 1.5 cups, then they can measure. Now what?
Yeah, I've got to spread whipped topping over that.
So 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping goes over top of the marshmallows. That looks pretty. My little bow made it look pretty for Christmas.
I wish they would have told me in the directions to break that cake up. I was fixing to try to cut it to fit down in there and just put the whole cake in.
Well, we figured out that we needed to crumble the cake up by watching a YouTube video.
Well, I never done this before. I didn't know if I was going to get it right or not. Okay, now let me see what else is next. Cake, pudding, crackers, marshmallows. Okay, now.
So you gotta repeat.
Yeah, I've got
Now
to
crumble the rest of your cake, right?
crumble up some more cake.
So now she has to repeat these steps she just done. And then you put it in the refrigerator and let it chill till you're ready to serve it.
Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas day. Oh, 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 oh.
So she just got done making the second and final box of chocolate instant pudding. And she's going to layer it on top of the cake. Now she's adding the second and final layer of the graham crackers. So you're putting 4 more?
Mm-hmm.
4 more graham crackers. And then she'll be adding the marshmallow. Then she'll be adding the final layer of whipped topping on the top. Alright, what are you going to put on top of it?
Cool Whip and then top it off with a few of them cake crumbs. That's what it said to do.
I say it'd be good and them crackers will soften up on it,
Yeah.
or in it.
Yeah,
And
I got the
instead of
honey
crunchy.
flavored instead of the cinnamon. Because I was afraid it might have a cinnamon taste and Men's wouldn't like it.
Yeah.
So I got the honey flavored graham crackers.
So she's just guessing again. 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows.
It could be a few more than 1.5 cup. I don't know for sure.
Some people can put as much or as less as they want. But they don't have to follow that by the book if they don't want to. Or they can measure it to a T if they want to, right?
Right. I think so.
It's all in what somebody wants to do.
I'd say that's more.
That's
A
probably
cup and a
more.
half. That's probably 2 cups and a half. Okay, now what else was it?
The Cool Whip. You got another bowl of Cool Whip for it?
Yeah.
So now she's going to put on the final layer of Cool Whip. And then she's going to cover it over and chill it in the refrigerator until her dinner tomorrow. So this is how you make a s'mores trifle according to the recipe that came off her Cool Whip bowl.
Okay, now let's see. It says to garnish that with cake crumbs after we get this on. Does it?
Yeah, especially those Christmas characters. She's got the Cool Whip on. She's gonna crumble some cake on top for the final touch on it.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Something that looks good. Whether it is, time will tell.
If you haven't subscribed to us, please subscribe. Click the little bell for notifications. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us kind, encouraging comments, and we'll try to get more videos of our recipes and vlogs and adventures out there for you to see soon. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Wraps the final gift. You know it's time for Christmas for each and every